Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 5008 SUV in the GT Line Premium specification. So this car comes with an opening panoramic glass roof, it's full LED headlights, automated tailgate, front and rear parking sensors with a 360-degree reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior, both front seats are heated and the driver's seat has massage function. The touchscreen has sat-nav, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, there's speed limit recognition and blind spot detection. So let's have a look around. It's got the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. It's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done 10,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.